Hi friends, today I am going to teach you all Dhakai Paneer. Here are the ingredients: 1 egg, normal water, all-purpose flour which is also called as Maida, paneer cubes around 50 grams, salt, black pepper powder and sesame seeds. Let's get started. I am adding all-purpose flour. Salt, black pepper powder. Let's mix the dry ingredients first. Now I will add egg. Just mix it. Batter should be thick. Now add water in small quantity and mix it. Our batter is ready. See, it should be this much thick. And I have added the egg here because it will give a crispy texture to the paneer. Now add paneer. Coat the paneer. Now I'll take the paneer and cover it with sesame seeds. Yeah, it's ready. So this is how you have to make, and then we have to fry it. So our coated paneer will look like this. On the other hand, I have heated the pan and added 2 tablespoons of white oil. Let the oil get heated for some time. Now slowly I will add the paneer one after the other. Fry them all. Once it's fried on one side, you can flip it to the other side. Now let me flip it to the other side. Fry this side also well for around 3 to 4 minutes, and then it will be ready to serve. You need to pay attention that the whole paneer cube is fried well on all sides. Our Dhakai Paneer is served. Thanks for watching. If you like the recipe, hit like, share amongst your friends and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon to get more delicious recipes like these.